Hello guys, good morning. This is Onya Solomon or Solomon Ezekiel as you all know me with. Today's topic is about Python programming, how to write simple Python codes, you know, using your Android phone. Actually, I'm not sure you can compile a complete program that is written in Python with your Android phone, but at least you can write, like simple codes that you want to test using your Android phone. And today we'll be looking at a software called PyDroid 3. PyDroid 3. I already have it installed in my phone, but I'll just show you in Google in the Play Store. I downloaded it from the Play Store. So let me just type it PyDroid. Look at it. PyDroid 3 IDE for Python 3. This is to write Python 3 program. So I already installed it. If you haven't just installed it, it's a very good program, and it's that's basically it is very simple to use, and it's just simple for Android users. If maybe your system is off and you just want to test some codes, you just want to, maybe you have short assignment to do, because it has helped me a lot in doing a quick assignment. Maybe when I forgot, I'll just run into the app and write some codes to submit. So since I have it installed, I will just open it right away. So this is how it looks. This is the interface. uh yeah, there is the this is the navigation button for you to check out the features that it has. There is a terminal interpreter. There's a terminal if you want to write your codes on the terminal. There is an interpreter. I've not used this before, but you don't need to install any other software or any other file. If you just install this file, everything will just come at once. So I think there is a share where you share your codes or stuff like that. I've not tried all this before. All I just do is just write codes. So there's a sample numpy array open. Yeah, this is a sample of a code that was already written. So you want to install missing libraries. Okay, there's a library that is missing. You get the plugin Play Store. This is just it about PyDroid. You can use it to write simple Python code. So let me just go back and write a code. So we'll come here, we'll click new. If you open the software, uh it will be on this new page. So because I was on this sample, that was why it wasn't on a new page. But if it wasn't on a new page, you just come here and you click new. So you type your code. Let me say a equal to 5, b uh equal to 7, c equal to a plus b, to print c. Or you can say yeah, answer is comma c. So that's it. It's very simple to use. You just click, after writing your code, you just click this play button right here at the lower right of the screen. At the right side of the screen, you just click it and it runs your code, displays it on the terminal. So that's it. So you can get the premium version of it. I have not gotten the premium version because most times I don't really do much with it. I just write code and leave it. You can get the premium version of it. The premium version includes code prediction, code analysis, no ads, there's a lot of things. At least it will predict your code. Maybe you want to write print. If you write your P, it will translate it. It will show you, do you want to write print or something like that. So you can get the premium version of it, just $9.99. Okay, let me just say $10 to say. So you can get the premium version of it, and that's forever. You don't have to pay, you know, can get a a monthly subscription, 0.99 per month after trial ends. So that's just it. I hope you enjoy watching to this video. Please uh, like this video and go down to the comment section and drop your comment, ask me any question. If you want me to write a particular code, if you have a particular issue you're facing with writing a code, you can ask me. I'll provide a solution to it as soon as possible. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and please share this video as much as possible. I need viewers. Thanks for watching. Once again, this is Solomon. Bye bye.